Hi everyone. In this video, I would like to discuss about how you can change the language of audio overview. In the previous videos, we have discussed about how we can generate audio overview from the sources, and the language was English by default. But in recent times, Google NotebookLM has come up with latest updates to set the audio overview to different language. So what I mean to say is, after generating audio overview, you can listen to the audio in different language. It may not be English, or it need not be English. It can be German, it can be French, it can be Spanish, or it can be any other language. So if you are someone who likes to listen to podcast or audio, then what you can do is, if you see here, there is an option called settings. Go to settings and you see output language here. Click on output language. Once you click on output language, it says choose your language override. By default, it is English. All you need to do is click on drop down box. See, you see Afrikaans, Dansk, Dutch, English, Espanol, Mexico, Filipino, Gallego, Indonesia, Italiano, Java. So these are all different kinds of languages. Netherlands, Portuguese, Brazil. So if you scroll down, there are so many languages. So you look for your language if it is available or not. So there are also some regional languages. If you are from India, we have Konkani, we have Marathi, we have Hindi. So we have a lot of different Telugu, Kannada. So there are a lot of regional languages as well. So if you are someone who likes to learn in German or French or whichever language it is, you can choose that language to listen to the podcast or audio file. So what I'm going to do is, for testing purpose, I'm going to select German or Deutsch. Okay, maybe you are very fascinated about German, learning German language. So I'm going to select Deutsch and I'm going to click save here. Okay, now it is set to German. Now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to select one of the sources. I'm going to select Brothers Karamazov, written by Dostoevsky. Okay, I've selected this. Now I'm going to generate audio overview and see how it goes. I clicked on audio overview. It says it is generating audio overview. Come back in few minutes. So let's wait for some time and I'm going to show the result in a minute. If you see now, audio overview is ready. See, the audio overview is ready. I'm going to click on the play button. If everything goes well, it should sound in German now. Okay, I'm going to play the audio.
Hallo und willkommen zu unserer heutigen Vertiefung. Wir knöpfen uns heute einen echten Klassiker vor, Fjodor Dostojewskis Die Brüder Karamasow.
Oh ja, ein ziemlicher Brocken. Fast 1000 Seiten, glaube ich.
Genau, wir stützen uns dabei auf eine detaillierte Analyse, die wir für dich durchgegangen sind. Das ist ja sein letztes, oft als sein größtes Werk bezeichnetes Buch.
Stimmt. Und auf den ersten Aljoscha. Jesus kommt zurück zur Zeit der spanischen Inquisition. Genau.
Laut Analyse?
Also, die Analyse legt nahe. Antwort, so die Analyse, liegt in Liebe, Verantwortung.
This is amazing. This is an amazing feature. So let's say, for example, you are very good at German or French or Espanol or Portuguese or whichever language. If your mother tongue is that particular language, and if you want to listen to the podcast or audio in your own language, all you need to do is upload the document, go to settings, change the language to your particular language, to your mother tongue, and you can listen to the audio in your own language. So this is so great. You can upload a lot of documents in your own, in English or any other language, and you can listen to this and you can understand the concepts or knowledge in a better manner. And at any point in time, if you wish to play the audio faster, all you need to do is click on these three little dots and click on change playback speed, and you can select 2.0 or 1.8 or 1.5 depending upon your requirement. You can select it and it is going to change the speed of the audio. You can listen to it in a faster way. Alright, I really hope you find this information helpful. Thank you very much for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye bye.